Hello, I'm gonna phone you. We will be any part of the continent or so or south or east or west or north. Your son baby, you know, seminal son baby, na. Say Bible no can say, man shall not live by bread alone, but also by the word of God. And you know, Yatama Yaba. See, we can't yame in seminal. Now, I'm saying I video. Now, last time you can say your video no say Jesus, who was that son in Isaiah 7:14 and Isaiah 9:6-9. Now on your church room, na and you teaching you sir reply to Virgin Mary no. Ibinum say Mary no onye virgin. Sir House of Tura no. Any 80s for no B. It just say Mary onye virgin. Now I'm just say because it's virgin and Mary onye virgin and it say Messiah no cry no. And you see a bonny didn't cry. You say Messiah, no, he was not existed. There was nothing like Messiah. Because the only way I want to me, I'm actually say Jesus, no, and you only Messiah, no, you just say, I was so much, I say, Sir Isaiah 9, no, any Isaiah 7, no, and yet Jesus cry, and once and cry, no, and I married to cry, no, you're virgin. Say it's not like Virgin Mary be how we used to be used to cry once it never existed. Now Isaiah prophecy no prophecy singing and cry no in fact Jesus now answer never can afa sa virgin say Mary no a virgin and also on your virgin last time no you can't no the church say that descriptive term now you know Isaiah chapter 9 no it anywhere a match Isaiah because Isaiah no need salvation of the Lord and I share Isaiah manusu dinya and also no back where the remnant shall return and back no say spirit to the prey and I share Ezekiel sudinya Ezekiel says God is my strength. And you share the so I say God have made me forget. And you share sa edina on which say Nanya Messiah no hasem no can no year Isaiah and I almost say Isaiah and I say Ezekiel and I say Ezekiel ma or visa a peer you are a corresponding to that description you Isaiah chapter 9 and Isaiah chapter 7 so say the prophet Isaiah can say unto us no on person which say a feature there was sanka Isaiah eka say unto them na wo hwe ni nti Isaiah kan sana no che say because Isaiah no ono so ye Jew ni and a prophecy na all man onim say bia during his time no kwapo ne bebe mu a onim enti no I was say or you right so use the word s because once you Jew ni enti can say unto us the son is born enti no a hon no contradicting bia ni hono na say o hwe enso a o the Old Testament no ma because so person who say sa prophecy no Isaiah kai no say if am Isaiah no hono no o samba New Testament no so a o say emra John e preaching no Jew for no SNE Levite for no any priest for no ekobisa no because the Jew for no Pharisee for no no mo hwe say emra no Jew for no aka na edi so and a scribe for no no mo hwe say ade na nyame asem no pepepepe na ya tro no pepe na ana priest for no no di osum nanim ti no mo de omu nim Anything almost small, won't say, Omunko Bisa John, say John, yes, Rawa, Uni Mezana, and I say, Uni Elijah, and I say, Uni prophet now, Moses Cow, Deuteronomy 18:18. John said, there you, I am not enough of them, yeah. So, okay. And I yes, soon, Tama Oba Samaria, where no, as Samaria woman in no buy and obeisance, you know. Obisa and say, Mammy, soon be no. Samaria, you know, catch and say, who Jew ni. And I always mean Samaria and say, Mount Shuana. Because, nature your cast and say, Samaria for no, Samaria, Emra, Assyria for the farm called captivity, no, only for foreigners in the trial. And in a no return, you know, I saw my fra. And you know, other Jews, no, Omun can't say, Omun, Jew. So I'm sorry between them, no. And you know, can't say, oh, Jew, and I will be some Samaria, and he said, me, Mount Sunumana. And I used to catch and say, so we know, besides some money, Sunuma, Kaubi, some no, a mountain in Sua, Unuma, a bear spring within you. Ah, a common grand know that. I beat me early due to eternal life. And I say, hey, any man is sweeping away. And I used to catch and say, Ukran Ukun enu na ni awon o cramp no yes because o Ukran no say I na yes can say yes o enu na ni awon o cramp no enye Ukun no say ampa ni awon ampa ni awon o no enye Ukun ana o kache yes say ah say ni awon no say ma Ukran we prophet o we prophet o ana o kache ni say yes kache ni say and no can say, Yendi Yenim says, Messiah no can bar or can be actually. So, or see Yenim says, Messiah no a bar or can be actually. First, Jew for no, it could be Sir John. Only Messiah na. So, the Samaritan woman also know, it beside Jesus said, I catch Jesus said, Yenim says, Messiah no bar or trade be actually. Nature saying. Nature says Jew for no one says a prophecy na Isaiah can no. Ampa is about Messiah na okan wasem no. Messiah no okan wasem no. Enya Isaiah anase Ezekiel mahun asem no okan because Jew for no omu ho sa over 2000 years no omu nim. Enti no bisa John say eh wonu sa Messiah na Isaiah kan wasem na. So and no banner because sa prophecy na Isaiah Kenya no famous na no na a complete nonsense a intro na ucha because Jew for no en na Samaria ni woman o kan sa wie no asem na Yesu kai Yesu say hwe Messiah no onu na e kasa meaning Messiah no Yesu say ordinary Messiah no ashinje bi en no John chapter 4 o kan 24 no bana Jesus say only Messiah. And Isaiah so kind, Isaiah say, that description now, a woman says, Messiah Oban, on yet is more than human being. On ye nipa that's a new, or ye yammy. Because the office description now, or nipa be you are, or matches a description, or you yammy neighbor. Now answer on no crown, or besati, I can answer no. Isaiah 40 or so obi ba no be din one day abi din one dance here and no John so by Matthew John John chapter 1 verse 19 bana John said near John be ebe kan no and I fulfill near Isaiah kan no Matthew so sa Matthew chapter 3 so sa it was written by Isaiah and you know when you say sa prophecy when you know if Isaiah and I used to say meaning Messiah many Messiah. Eshinye bi eni ho. Na sisia no point ni say onye dipa da sani ti say min wo ni mi no. Oye nyame na emu no oba befa nipa honam no watran yi mu no. Oka John chapter 1 na oka Philippians chapter 2 na. And this is a woman say ni pada say ni to say ya. oh and say a woman sir I see a woman was miraculous way I no more go to Genesis chapter 16 Genesis chapter 16 Genesis chapter 18 say Ishmael he won the same way Isaac no Ishmael emra engine hu no so wo kura wanye da Abraham kura I did atum dida na obewo say ne be friend Isaac nso no engine promise him say next year obey so benyam sign be any one man sign dia but as I said say God will give us a sign and a sign so you can say sign there are two ways I yet here back when say be a would be BSc or now I mean a differentiate woman and say ufa has here say e bi ni say e bi ani aye sign bi danger or why ya o my sign bi ni party normal the cross bi a e che say ha no ko no na danger wo and a sign no so in a way so no e kire say e insenkyere ne Yesu ye miracle wo Canaan osanko ye the second miracle no okay John 5:54 now which said this is the second sign that Jesus has done until Isaiah can say a sign no they just say sa onipa na Yesu na oba no onyame na oba no is going to be in a miraculous way until no sa ni wo no enye the same with that war wo Joseph and Ishmael no a miraculous birth until no and then you be na asema aya omuka say Mary no onye virgin if you say omuche say sa Hebrew word no betula any alma no omuso muche say insunsungu na betula no na specific word so bani ye virgin we ye we use na oye other so oye virgin so na amano no use na ye ka virgin wasema o se mo meti ase yo enuanu wa mutie mi e bi se virgin na ye ka wasema no so ye o ka wasema fako pass kwa o wenim time no Abraham no time no ma be si Israel for no be si Yesu no so na se o kan o na udi wadwen ko hu e ma wa fa wadwen ma ho say ne o e ne 21st century ye no ye ne de se si ano virgin crap de am say agu fidi crap no be tibi crap che Ghana young so fence obaboni ye see a virgin crap ye kebi crap o ye they say is fa ewu crap sa word no we bi wo ho de arabfo no ko salary bia no we na be a virgin there yes kakra o Europe near was since we just kakra bi but enye so como say omo time no you see akra you see na we see wo artificial virgin omo say Morocco for no Tunisia for no omo no che say mema no ye nka hwenkyere wo turo mo yo no mo yo pe na omo yo ni omo pe na ye ma no but only say man no there na easy say it can be detected to say no a virgin na say onye no be ma de ultimi anything no omo chances anything no omo so fan plan bia omo ye na omo pe o wi a omo ko hospital no yakopam artificial virgin no I wasan ye second wasan be virgin bio any finish artificial virgin no anything and no ye ka virgin a me fan to time no ye ka virgin a hey between life and death between life and death. Yekaya Genesis chapter 34. Emra Isaac Jacob echo Hivetite for no sa Hivetite for no me descendant of Canaan. Eni ma no. Asemi ne see ohin ba no session no onu ko repu Joseph ba ko Jacob ba ko Dinah. Na o repuni wie no virgin no I say me see here and no atwa no ko ka che ni papa say oh be say me worry sa oba we okay and be who Jacob no say, oh, Jacob, any man says, see, I may be moving ya down for. Young worry young. Now, me buy we crowd up your bow with it. Now, Joseph money say, Jacob money say, okay. Now, why reason you remember one condition? So, when you said, yeah, and you be changes our marriages and only a friend. Only say, you know, you ain't got to bottle for. Momo you got to bottle for. Et you know, se mo pese yes agreement there munkucha mkote munkucha na se mo hwe wi a ye ne mo be den e be yes agreement oh nice advice send na trap bi pa sa trap do enye antidote for trap lion trap pa no asepa mo energy onko kachi kufo nyo no munyo akutwa mkote. And the blood we say no sisters no sister no Diana no omuno Simon ni Levi no omuno say Jacob no two wife the Leah no omuno omu fi sa Leah no enti no sa girl no fi oni Levi ni Simon omu the same father the same mother, you know. Train ya first day, second day, third day because someone knew that say you try within that time no na ikuru no way pay no back no trust ntisi kan go so kum ta so nyama on papa tiem hey enti we na makoye ade aseme no mo dia breme no o se no pa no fast no fi ono aseme no mo kan mo se hwe we divine nyano we define ye nua no eti no sa virgin asem no tete nyina Abraham time no Jacob no time no mu fani agwo kra o mu fani agwo kra enye de o ne kra de say kra de o ye kaso bi a virgin kra na straight class o tronko no twa o mu time no eye between life and death ana wo hwe se ne a Onyakopo de mmara no ma Israel fo no a virgin was several, a yes and kitwa. Okay, Genesis, okay, Exodus chapter 22 now, verse 16 down now. Or say Obi Echo Dada virgin ni. On ye engaging we are. On ye de, near the young bar, on ye de, on marino. Or must also I don't know a must na on crown will send to 50 shekel. I can't not all fun say in the year forever. Now or say obi so worry virgin no so obi say am for you say no hit and run or so hit and run or worry no or na dan no we know with this virgin no asabi twa no obi no so be twa no be ka say oh we cry on your virgin ade na or say papa no fa ntoma no because eya no fa ntoma say we so boja no or say papa no fa omu nyina mra no fa ntoma no be ku elders lady no mu say eya pa na say eya pa no mu say eya pa akwa no omu fa no to no man ke we put no pa no on say 100 shekels of silver na oba no san fa no omu are no mo nya no so mo no mo say yes enye no kra oba no that baba you enu no umku no e be say say odi musuo aba Israel hey musuo pa no de aba ano si say virgin ya no eni on fe no betrothed virgin ni virgin obi engage ni dida enso no pa ko no and nine because we say no so mo wari wi a omo ye engagement wi a oda so wo ni papa ni fie akosi tama ebe so a obeden obekọ osisi obi eni ni koda e wo kro ni ma o mi nyina o mewu na outside kro ni no e bia forest anas obi sa no na se otiem na se obi amba na e chioma obema no e no obeden anu bewu enti no sa we say no virgin asem no de na enye asem ketu akra o omo time no na enye asem ketu akra although virgin no you bet me use no say okay Revelation chapter 14 na or see the figurative 144,000 they are qualification just say mayor defy our virgin. So I don't know you soon in a sense say righteous for. But ye the social moi say oba and as obema or no ban nai and as oba on your bema nai. Say why why they did that, but no one call obema if you are unfriend betrothed virgin. And I say on why or virgins not on ye ready say obe warrior unfriend say unfriend obia on ye betrothed virgin. Etino sa omo virgin asem no enye nese ene de oh there ene de ye ka be keto bio no omo time no they serious between life and death na common cry enti sa Hebrew word no alma no any ama no means separation no betula no means separation and ama no to veil and they say say ye fa quotations na ye hwe betula na ye hwe alma na content in betula say almost 99% no other say it oma translating no obabawa kra o kan abom say almost 99% no ababawa or ye virgin ababawa or ye virgin either say or ye virgin enso no onye virgin say the papa nye ready say the be ma wade and I say or either say or ye virgin are why ready any friend betrothed no and you know maybe ma passages efa betula no na say o kan a wo be hu say baby ho kra na o mo yisu maiden so young lady so because no mo can say betula no and the specific word for virgin there baby or betula no so no o mo yisu maiden young lady ababawa and you know so different and ama so the same and there's no different I say synonyms so who the way change we say mission the same two words no but the same meaning na wo hwem krampo na ama no krampo no more wo hwe quotation krampo na ama no krampo no more say utu say or virgin say even betula no but the same and you know as some more can say betula no specific no enye intro nyina the same even and you know passage no say that's okay passage na obi say ampa or virgin and you know betula no okay Judges 19:25 na priest be no or virgin ma kophobia omo Gibeon omo koso omo report I don't say that ba mu report me ma na mo no konkuban ho so I say virgin omo nso aware no mo da so because omo time no virgin no papa any protect you and also omo nua no okay it will kan na obehu ohodom no o yusu betula o yusu maiden ababawa and so o kan obehu say ababawa virgin and I can 2 Chronicles 36:17 so and so no say no compassion on the virgin on no yusu maid but o kan obehu o kan Job 31 1 so or say how then could I gaze at the virgin and I can Psalm 38:63 so and I can Psalm 148:12 okay Jeremiah 2:32 okay Jeremiah 51:22 okay Lamentation 5:11 okay Ezra 9:12 or say do not give your daughters to marry or your maiden or say daughters no emaba wano emma foreigners and you can obon say o yusu babawa enso no wo hwe ne mini na e wo ye virgin ana wo hwe Zechariah 9:17 so ana wo hwe Ezekiel 42:22 so na o see the priest no omo sun wo we say no o see mo omo nware obi o ye widow ana obi a ya divorce no na mu no omo nware virgin so this man only virgin but all no o yusu maiden the word translating maiden so when you kind content na bom say either maiden or not maiden only say open virgin and you know when I ba we so Alma no so a ama no na ma translate call paternus no Greek no virgin. And so sa o kan Genesis 24 verse 43 a emra Abraham esuma ne ba Eliezer say onko Laban ne busu onko warema Isaac no. So ono ko gina we no o say obaba wo a obefi virgin obefi oba ebe se nsuo no obema moani bi no ono na ebe Isaac yire ampa so a ebe mu na unse uka verse 20 verse 16 na o chese oye odini oye ne hwade wie no ohom mamra no the parents no catch and say oh my one time kakrama be 10 days answer ana dia just say misrema se bibia yo okay dia mama me fa no nko ana mo friend bi say okay we be kwa na no so okay me ko ana we do mu jam kwa but uka we say na you use the word ababawa eso uka o to say virgin enti sa ababawa na o mu kan say ababawa onye ababawa uka chapter ni nyina o to say virgin uka Exodus 2:7-18 so Moses sister on friend girl ababawa it's not a virgin uka Psalm 68 verse 25 uka Proverbs 30:19 uka Sons of Solomon uka Sons 1:3 okay, Sons of Solomon 6:8. When you now okay content now, we say almost 95% no. Or you sue about what else no, virgin. And it's that two no. There's no difference between them. The different woman say petula no. Virgin or be a virgin so no mun so warrior. Mon papa fie. And amano virgin was so warrior. That's why you engage. So was so warrior. Enti no Isaiah chese ni obewu Messiah no ni awede why ababa wo a waso aware ababa wo a waso aware enti na Joseph no he has been married no why engaged only Joseph are engaged so no call Joseph if ye asana engine no eba ni chen enti no sa word we nyina ya cheche mu nyina no uka quotation na yentimi cheche ni nyina mu but uka bon say each content no bon say virgin nyina medio virgin ni nyina enti no sa Old Testament na omo translating no Septuagint no omo translating over 200 and something years no by 70 Hebrew scholars why 70 yes and 70 Hebrew scholars 200 over 200 years no omo ni perfect sa omo read here no omo say no Mary no or a virgin ababawa oyede oye virgin ababawa why they were engaged betrothed virgin and on friend betrothed virgin no enti no omunim enti no omo de Greek word no paternus no ewo no virgin na ebetimi de kakran so aka ho a eche say Mary no na oye virgin eni say Mary who say Jew for no omo custom bia say owo a especially firstborn no obema no every time you omo friend the son of Jacob the son of but never say but be no obo say New Testament no ya friend Jesus son of Joseph all the time you know son of Mary and no just say Joseph no enye papa biological papa and two Jew for no there is no idea ometimi akusi apostle for no say Yesu ni wo no enye miraculous birth daddy there is no time ometimi akusi them say na Yesu yanwo miraculous way daddy and asem so Mary so kan ye no asofo no e ba ne che no o kan say who can look at verse 1 and down now? As no kind or see how could this be? I'm a virgin. In other ways, many obey me yes, may engage there, and so many will be an eye. I never know about that. Obianka, only could that, no one daddy that. And only say a man obema or ban obema that and or your message and or banning your manner. Only such a man you would do time now, only me now. And you know, say a normal obema da. How so baby say? I'm a virgin. How? How so baby say I'm a virgin? How can this be? And you know, for the first Mary bisas and nature say Mary no your baby be anaye. We engage Joseph there and so no heading oni no mem ye. And then man won catch and say angel no catch and say you will be overpowered by the Holy Spirit. And that niaube wono no you be holy. If you say Isaiah say or eden or nyame or everlasting father. Now you share action of near Joseph and so I just say oh ye no hey now me no na unyim and then say and I have never applied Deuteronomy 22 and you all drink this in your bay na Gabriel no you say David na near Mary I no nyimu no na isa and no ma Joseph etiase no hu say ampa and say Mary wago de wakobo adwaman it is Joseph from Sankone ade on Mary eda how so obedwe hu say I so jalo na odinima we the crop tribunal no edes no baby and for the first say Joseph kra na yes and it say no only Mary na engine no crepa say Mary no a virgin. Na ni owo odin ba wi ase no owo nu so no we holy. This a description now Isaiah kan no. Enti say enye antifo na say the house of 2000 info na I keka sansem we ani sa wo ma mu nyinya mindia. Asem we kan asem bi eni o easy to o kan ni nyina o kan chapters ni nyina na what say easy to understand. But see be den ye be san akom bio na nyina no ya strong wo so me obi ba no be dada say betura no specific ama na specific what can say intro ni nyina o kan party de ma ni nyina na almost the same. There is no different which make you should but Isaiah essence nkonko no e wono so no yusu ama no na ama no so kire say oya baba wa a waso aware or ye virgin. So Jesus was born in a miraculous way. And to say Isaac ne Ishmael na okaka. Ya man sign bia. But did you know? As I say, God will give a sign. That sign one a miraculous sign. So Jesus was born in a miraculous way. No one has ever been born in that way. Actually say Yesu no oyo nyankopon. Now, we see a kind of last verse no John chapter 8. And now Yesu ka say se muji Abraham dia ka muji mi di no. Omo say Abraham no papa. No say ka Abraham papa ka muji mi di. If say ni amo ye no ye Abraham papa. I don't say your papa baako. Na no we were not born in immorality. So omo ye allusion omo person mo say you were not born in a fornication. Almost some say Jesus no. So many papa. They want to make mockery of Jesus. But you can't record now actually say Yesu no or your nyame. It's no nyame no. Kunku no. And it didn't buy. And you no. Now actually no you be come near who say Yesu no ampa. So that description now Isaiah kai or Isaiah chapter 9 I am pa. And you need better say nemu onyame a obefa honam no betra you na na abofo no kan theophany enti de besi ase na next time no ye du for so aba na ya kanyame asem no na wen yire ho ni nsu nyame asem no ye fa time nto na bebre eklemu so mu Christians no bible no mu nsua sua some ya with me defending no krem na yinyina yet me the same knowledge no but kakra de e so nya nti nyame kan ho na o ma ya hodin na yenya ni bidi kosita ma yebesan hia bi no matimi kan bi o Yesu din amen.